So this is a comparison of the old hard top and the new soft top. Just a basic little course, and you have to excuse the dog running around in the background. She might even come say hi to the camera in a bit. So this one I put the aftermarket lighting kit in as well. I'll be honest, the modulation on the old ones is a little bit better than I remember, but I'm still having to give it nearly full throttle there. For a leaf spring suspension, it's not doing too bad. Oh, the modulation on this one is so much nicer. Let's all get lined up. Oh, that's so much quieter. Just struggling a little bit for grip on those tyres. That's my driving there. My first modification on this one is simply going to be putting some softer tyres on. Although, to be fair, that hooked up. I've got to say, good job WPL, you've 100% improved the electronics on there. Give the dog heavy breathing in the background. Yeah, the electronics in this night and day different to the old ones. I mean, the old electronics weren't bad, but if WPL are going to update all their older models with the newer electronics, I think they can't fail if they do that. I mean, WPL can't fail anyway because they just make such awesome hard bodies, and for the price point you can't really go wrong. But yeah, that's definitely a lot better. Let's just take the old golden nugget. You can hear the electronic whining away. Again, I'm having to put quite noticeable amounts of Again, that's stunning what WPL have managed there.